Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari 812 versus the Lamborghini Huracan. First, let's look at the Ferrari 812. This magnificent machine boasts a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, providing an exhilarating driving experience. With 789 horsepower, it can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.8 seconds. The 812 is renowned for its elegant design and comfortable, driver-focused interior, making it a superb grand tourer. Now, let's turn our attention to the Lamborghini Huracan. This supercar is powered by a high-revving 5.2-liter V10 engine, known for its aggressive sound and feel. Depending on the model, it generates up to 640 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.5 seconds. The Huracan is celebrated for its sharp, angular design and a driving experience that truly connects you to the road. When comparing the driving dynamics, the Ferrari 812, with its front mid-engine layout, offers a more refined and comfortable grand touring experience, perfect for long, high-speed journeys. In contrast, the mid-engine Lamborghini Huracan delivers a raw, agile, and track-focused performance, emphasizing direct driver engagement. Design-wise, Ferrari leans towards classic elegance, while Lamborghini embraces a more aggressive, futuristic aesthetic. So, which supercar is better? The choice truly depends on your priorities. If you value a luxurious grand touring experience with immense V12 power and elegant styling, the Ferrari 812 is an excellent choice. However, if you crave a more visceral, track-oriented experience with aggressive V10 sound and sharp handling, the Lamborghini Huracan might be for you. Both offer incredible performance and prestige. Also, for those looking to make meal prep easier, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.